What is going on, guys? It is your boy Pure Ghost back again with another Payday 3 video. Now today I'm going to show you guys how you can get basically infinite C stacks in Payday 3. You can buy the 10 stacks for 90,000 actual money, not actual money, but you know, 90,000 of the in-game currency from doing the heist cash. And you're going to be using this process called Fiddler today, or application called Fiddler. So if you don't already have Fiddler Classic, not Fiddler Everywhere, get Fiddler Classic. Go ahead and go download that. I'll link it in the description. And so once you get to this screen, it's going to be blank here because you haven't set it up yet. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Tools, and then you're going to hit Options. You're going to hit HTTPS, and then you're going to hit Decrypt Traffic. So you're going to click that, and it's going to come up with some windows. You're going to, allow it, hit yes on all of those. Then you're going to hit OK, and as you see here, it's going to start filling up with all of your network traffic. So this is all of the games and stuff, your internet, browsers, all that. So you can see YouTube here. All that stuff is going to be in here. Now the next thing you want to do is launch Payday, and you're going to see that it is going to start filling up with all of the requests from the game. So you can see Xbox Live connected, all this. It's going to go ahead and go through all of the websites, or excuse me, all of the game loading requests. Now at this point over here, you're gonna have this inspector tab. Now this is gonna show all of the requests, and then the composer tab allows you to change those requests. So we're gonna load up the game. Now that we've loaded up, we're gonna hit start the game, log in. Now that we've logged in, as you can see, I have 208 C stacks. If I go to the vendor, I've not bought 208 worth. And it actually resets in 35 minutes, so I'm going to do this before it resets so that I can show you guys that I can buy the 10 C stacks for 90,000. So to do this, you are going to create an order call, which is simply it's going to give you the code in here of you buying something in the game, and we're going to use that to basically change the order call to buying C stacks and then change the amount to 90,000. Now you can't do this to every item. You can only do this to items in the game that are like this, that have separate versions. So in this version, the first C stack of 10 that you can buy is 90,000. So you're allowed to do that. So that is what we're going to do. You couldn't go like into the guns and change the gun price to something very cheap, because it will check the price. It is just because that price is already on the C stacks. You can also use this program Fiddler to get these locked outfits and stuff like that. As you can see, there's also the mask that you can get, like the pre-order bonus and the premium edition bonus. I had to go ahead and give myself those. And it's basically the same exact thing. You put in this code and it will basically buy it for you, and then you restart the game and it's there. So the first thing we're going to do, like I said, is do an order call. So we're going to go to our mask, go to cosmetic, and just buy one of these for 500 bucks just to get an order call. So here we go. We're going to buy it. We're going to back out to the main menu, and if we go into Fiddler, we can now see that we have orders. Now the one you're going to be looking for isn't going to be any of these. It's going to be the first one that says order. So you're going to have a different code here as well, because this is your player code. This is your unique code. So you're just not going to have the same number and letters as mine. And it's going to end in /orders. Okay, so quick edit. I think I forgot to actually add how to add the code like over here to the right. So you take the order and you just drag it, and it'll show the green, and then you release it and it will show this. So that is how you add the actual order over here. And then you would go, you could do that under, you can't do that under inspector, but you would do that under the composer tab, and then you can change it down here and then hit execute. So if you see it in the inspector, now we can see the entire order. And now we're going to go to the, where is it? The composer tab. So this is where you change the stuff. So down here, this is the request body. And then the execute button, this is how we send it back to the game. So here on the screen, we have the order to buy 10 C stacks for 90,000. So you could go ahead and just paste in the whole thing, or you can just change every individual thing in here for that amount. But I'm just going to paste in the whole thing because it's the same. So if we hit paste, now the item ID has changed, the quantity is the same, and now the price is 90,000. So, you know, one stack of C stacks or whatever. If we go into the game, one stack is 450,000 for me. It doesn't reset for 32 minutes. So now that we have set that to cash, set it to 90,000, we can hit execute. And as you can see, it is now in the request on our network. And we can hit it again, and it'll do it again. We can do it again, and again, and again, and again. So we did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So that is 10 C stacks. So we're at 208 C stacks. So if we go back now to mass and we manually update the game and just buy, you know, that or whatever, as you can see, now we have 268 C stacks. So that is how you do the C stack. Basically hack. You're, you know, basically telling the game, I want to buy this for, you know, the original amount, not the amount that I'm at now. So you can basically just farm yourself C stacks. So we're going to do this 5 more times. There we go. So we did it 5 more times, bought 5 more stacks of C. Stacks of C. We're going to buy that. And now we're at 318 C stacks. Now when you reset the game, it's going to stick because this is, you know, buying in the game. Now this does use the money, so don't think that you can just buy this infinitely. You have to actually have the cash. But if you refer back to my previous videos, you can make $1 million in 2 minutes. If you go do that, that is a lot of C stacks that you don't even have to pay for really, because you get $1 million in 2 minutes. Yeah guys, I hope this video helped you out. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with these. Like you can buy these masks, this suit, the pre-order bonuses, all this stuff you can get just by doing this. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to help below. I'm fairly new to this. I just did this 10 minutes ago and figured out how to do it, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it as well. So if you have any questions, just comment below. But this has been your boy Pure Ghost. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the video and to the channel, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more Payday 3 videos and hacks and stuff like that as soon as I find out about them. But this has been your boy Pure Ghost, and I'm out.